Is this light not going to annoy me? I feel like it is going to. Hello, 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 hello. Hi guys. What's good? What's poppin'? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? You guys already know I am here. You guys already know I am here, child. Because guess what? Your girl is on the covers of Forbes. It's on the cover. I just popped by because I wanted to have a bit of a chat with you guys, just to celebrate. I feel like this is something that I do now with every milestone. When I started with my YouTube channel, really. So I feel like this is a huge milestone and I'm very happy. So it's only fitting that I come on here and have a bit of a chat with you guys, and also just say thank you for the support you guys have shown me, for your guys' contribution to the growth of my career and the reason why I'm here today. So yeah, let's chat a little bit. Sorry, I'm just getting this out of the background. I don't like how it looks. So I'm going to be popping a bottle of Ace. I saved this because I was like, I want to pop this when I'm celebrating something. You know, when it's like, when it makes sense. And it makes sense. It makes sense for Forbes. It makes sense. Guys, please excuse my horrible nails. I had a bit of a situation. So I couldn't go to my nail appointment this morning. So, looking a bit ugly. But, yeah, guys, thank you so much for your guys' support. I don't even know, like, what to say or where to start. I love how I'm making this, like, a little bit of a ceremony as if I'm going somewhere to get an award. But I can't contain my excitement. I've been home alone, so I have no one else to, like, talk to except for the people I've spoken to on the phone. But yeah, I'm so grateful. I am so grateful. I'm so grateful. And I don't even want like this to be about me, because I feel like this is something, whenever someone achieves something like this, it's something that's done for a lot of people, not only for myself, but even young girls who look up to me, or somebody out there who's maybe discouraged and feels as though they're not going anywhere in their career, or maybe someone who's not even supported at home via their dreams. You know what I mean? And I don't want to cry. Let me get tissue. One thing about me, I will cry. One thing about me. I'm always crying. Fuck. But yeah. Anyways, my whole point is that I always say to people that you must always... Why am I crying? Fuck. Okay, yes. I always say to people that you must always use negativity, naysayers, those who try and bring you down, those who question your potential, those who question your dreams, those who make you feel crazy for believing in something and wanting it so bad. You must always use their words as motivation. Because, I'm such a crybaby. Yeah, anyway, you must always use their words as motivation, because I promise you, you will not get anywhere and you will never achieve your dreams if you let people's words hold you back. And the reason why I say that this isn't only for myself, but it's sort of like for anybody who genuinely loves me and follows me because maybe they're inspired or there's something that drew them to me. This is also for you. And I really want this to be something that only motivates you to go beyond and above. There must never be a pinnacle of success. You must never look at me and be like, I aspire to be like Mihlali. You must always strive to be better than the person who inspires you. So it doesn't only stop here. I want so much more for myself, and I hope that you guys can continue to support me. Thank Thank you so much for the love. I appreciate you guys so much. Like, so much. We made this possible. And I wouldn't be here if it weren't for your guys' support and consistently just pushing me and motivating me to be the best version of myself, to put out the best quality content I can for you guys. And I hope that I can only continue to make you proud. And I hope there are many more wins to come. Not even I hope, I know there certainly are, child, because the God I praise, listen, the God I serve, he said yes, that's my baby girl, and we're taking it to the top. I am so happy. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. And don't be alarmed by me crying. I've literally been crying since I first got the email like 2 months ago. I cried a month ago before the shoot. And now I'm crying again because I really can't believe it. I never ever even imagined that I'd ever be on Forbes. Like, never ever in my wildest dreams ever imagined that I'd be recognized by such a platform. And now it's happening, and that just really goes to show God's work in my life. And also outside of that, the team that I work with, they are so phenomenal. Like, I are just as committed, if not even more committed, to my dreams. They are so hands-on and they always want the best for me, and I appreciate them so much. Thank you. And to my family, my mom, girl, I love you. Like, yo guys, if there's one person who supported my dreams from day one, like, my mom is the kind of parent where I could say I wanna buy oranges and brand them Mihlali and sell them, and she'd probably be like, let's do it, Nana. How can I help you? What can we do to make sure that the business goes or whatever? She's such a supportive parent, so I'm extremely grateful to her. And obviously to you guys, thank you so much. Thank you. So I'm gonna pop some Ace. I don't even feel like drinking, but I feel like I should do this. I mean, it's a great day. It's a beautiful day. Talk about starting your June on a high note, guys. Imagine what a high note. Wow. How do you guys feel about my little speech? Not too bad for a girl who hates public speaking. I'm so scared it's gonna pop on my face. Anyway, cheers to you guys and to being part of the Forbes family, to many more wins. My nose is even running. Oh, there's a vlog from the shoot that's gonna go live on my channel. My editor's actually done working on it. He just needs to add the cover to the actual footage. So yeah, you guys will see BTS. Sorry, I'm a mess. You guys will see BTS from the shoot. I want to put up that vlog today. So yeah, hopefully by this evening we'll be done with all the editing and we'll put it up. So cheers, dolls. Cheers. Thank you so much. I'm Nand. And for no anything like gaskendi, tinina, gaskendi. I just want to gather all my friends and family and just go to a restaurant and have like dinner. I'm so happy. I don't even want to work today. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, I think I'm gonna go now because I don't have anything else to say, honeys. At 12, I mean, we're drinking champagne because we're on Forbes. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I hope no one screen recorded me crying. One thing about you guys will screen record. Yo, Betuna. Hi. Aluiva. 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 Too many more popping of champagne bottles. I'm literally going to do this every single time I'm celebrating something. I'm going to come on my live and I'm going to pop something. So this is going to be a regular practice, a ritual that we're going to be doing on this Instagram page. You guys already know that if I'm celebrating anything, I'm definitely going to come on here and pop a bottle with you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you. Girl, look, I don't have anything. You should see my under eyes without this filter. I look like an entire mess because I was crying. Okay, I'm gonna close this because I don't feel like drinking. As bayizoselwa ibani bawo i-rest of le bottle because andiyithanda ukuyithanda ke champagne. Hey Bethuna, ndave ndaba kwi-Forbes list. Ukhuyive? Hey, hayi uyive. Hayi. Inene, I'm in shock. Thank you guys. Okay guys, thank you so much. Okay dolls, thank you so much for tuning into this live and thank you so much for celebrating this moment with me. I really appreciate you guys. And just in closing, oh god, my nose is so runny, I'm so sorry. Just in closing, not Leo phone live. Oh yes, Benditi, just in closing, I appreciate you guys. Thank you once again for everybody who's supporting me. Like you guys have, well, those who have been following me since day one, you guys have seen the journey from the jump. So I'm really grateful to you guys. Thank you very, very much. And I hope that there are many more wins. And I'm looking forward to celebrating every single one of them with you guys. I will go live again soon. And yeah, stay blessed and beautiful. Don't forget, it's a journey and every single step is worth it. Use any negativity, any words spoken upon your destiny to discourage you, any negativity spoken on your craft, use it as motivation. That must fuel you to succeed, and that is exactly how you will succeed. You need to believe in your dreams more than anybody else, until to the point where you look crazy, and be willing to go above and beyond to live a fulfilling life and to do it for yourself. So yeah, thanks guys.